13 days into the war, no side seems to be backing down. Where do you see this conflict heading?
I think it needs to stop because the price that countries are paying all over the world for this war is unbearable. It's oil that runs the global economy, as well as gas, but oil even more so. And if this is disrupted, if supplies are not enough, and if the prices shoot up, the global economy will suffer. And it's not only India or the global south or the developing countries. Europe will suffer. And the United States will suffer. Already the price at the gas stations has gone up by several cents, from 2 point something to 3 point something. And there is already big resistance. Now they have released reserves. Saudi Arabia has released reserves that they had in South Korea and Japan and elsewhere in order to bring the prices down. And the United States has gone back on this sanctions they threatened to impose on India if we bought Russian oil, to ask us to buy Russian oil to keep the global prices stable. But this is only a temporary reprieve. If the war continues, they can't keep putting into the global market their reserves. After all, there are finite reserves. And then what happens? So I'm afraid it's easy for me to say I'm not a decision maker. I don't sit in the cabinet of President Trump. But I think it's a huge mistake that Trump has committed by attacking Iran.